Oh, something strange in our neighbourhood. What's it called? Hurricane Bobag. It's really windy outside my house. What's it called? Hurricane Bobag. Right, lads, before you go outside today, pick up your lassie. Remember, there's a hurricane coming through. And what's it called?
Hurricane Bobag.
That's right, you. Hurricane Bobag. And it takes no prisoners. It's Hurricane Bobag.
Hurricane Bobag.
It's really windy.
Really windy.
And it makes a noise that goes a bit like this. Ooh. It's Hurricane Bobag. And it's really loud. It blew a cat away. And I was sad. I was outside. I saw a granny fall. And all I could do was laugh. Because of Hurricane Bobag. And it disrupted the trains.
Hurricane Bobag.
I can't go out.
Hurricane Bobag.
I can't go to Aldi to buy my lunch. Because of hurricane, Bobag. Hurricane Bobag. Yeah.